How to add follow button on Facebook page. So what I want you to do is to go directly here to your Facebook page. So here, as you can see, let's go here. Let's just go here to your profile here. So this is my Facebook page. Now, to be able to add a button, a follow button on your Facebook page, it actually depends on your country. Now, there are countries that still do not have these follow button options, but if you do, then what you can do is here beside edit button here, you will see three dots there, and here it will redirect you to your page settings. Now what there you can see different options there. Here are the options. So tap on edit action button. Now if you tap on that, tap on edit buttons here, and eventually it's just around these area you can see the follow button on Facebook page. Now, as you can see, I do not have any follow buttons because it is not yet available to my country. Now, if it's not available, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of that and then tap on save here. And then what you want to do here is to go to your menu on the bottom part. You will see here menu, and then scroll all the way down up until you see help and support. Now, here on help and support, tap on report a problem and then continue to report, and then don't include to my application here. Then they will actually ask for your feature on your Facebook that you have a problem on. Now, let's just go here to pages here. It's under notification and above photos. Tap on page here, and then you tap on what is wrong. You can put there, I do not have a follow button on my Facebook page available, and tap, and you can actually put the screenshot there and tap on send. And basically the Facebook community will get back to you around 48 hours and tend your needs, or they will fix your problem. And basically that is how you add follow button on Facebook page. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.